Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove image background using Gimp. It's really simple and easy. Open the Gimp and import your photo. Now you need to go to the bottom layers in the right here, press on the new layer button. Then you can make sure it's filled with transparency and press OK. Press layer in the top left and you want to press merge down and you want to come to the tools. Go and select the paint bucket tool and then bucket fill, set mode to erase. Then you can select FG color fill and you can go and select fill similar colors. Now you can go and click on the background like so and it will go and remove it. You may need to click multiple times just to go and get it all. You can grab the rub it in the tools as well and go and move parts as well. And that's pretty much it. That's how to remove image background using Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.